your backup camera not working and your 15 to, I don't know, 19 Mustang. Well, it's a real quick video on how to fix it here. If you get the blue screen of death or a black screen, and then it'll come up and say camera not available. I'll show you how to fix it. It's super easy. Back here, where this clip goes up to the top of your trunk and goes around your wire, you're gonna have broken wires right here. You can see it through the actual electrical tape. So you fix those and your camera should be working again. Look at that, completely ridiculous. I haven't cut any wires. All I did was take back this black protective coating and all of these were broken. See, this one is just about broken as well. It's right where this clip is held super tight around these wires, and with the trunk opening and closing, it just breaks these wires. I can't believe all these were broken. But again, my backup camera hasn't worked for a while, so. Alright, so I replaced all these, or I spliced them back together, and the camera still wasn't working, so I checked out these wires that are wrapped in this foil, and they were all broken as well. I don't even understand how my trunk popper was still working. So I'll put these together, see if it works now. All right, so every single wire back here except for this really small white one was broken. I spliced them all together. Let's see if it, I plugged my camera back in, close the trunk. I don't know if that makes a difference. I hope this works. My camera hasn't worked for probably over a year. Oh, yes. Awesome. Now if I could just fix my heated seats, that would be great. Damn Ford.